Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, well, I'm sorry, I look ridiculous right now. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little braided twist out hairstyle. I did a poll. That's what most of you guys voted for, which I was kind of thankful because I really did not want to do flexi rods. I mean, I'm gonna do it eventually, but not right now. So yeah, I am starting off with co-washed hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I already sectioned off a piece right here. I'm gonna have a braid right here going back, and then the rest is gonna be like twist out. So that's why this part is sectioned off already. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section off my hair back here. That much. And then I'm gonna put this part into a bun. So I'm gonna be using a section like this big. I'm gonna dampen it. I don't really want it completely drenched. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush and just like get all the tangles out. And then I am going to be using a new product today that I've never used before. It is called Keracare, and I'm going to be using their moisturizing curling jelly mixed with their moisturizing curling cream. So I'm gonna be using these two products together. Oh my God, it smells really good. I have my section right here. Wow, it is very thick. I thought it was gonna be creamy, but I went like this. You guys can't really see. It's very like stiff. Like I'm moving my hand on top of it, and it's not like moving at all. So it's very creamy. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit like this and just apply it to that section. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some of the, whoa. I might have to just use that by itself as a styler one of these days. But yeah, I'm gonna take some of the curling jelly, which is kind of like the kinky curly jelly. I'm gonna take like a little bit of that and just apply it on top. Y'all, should I just do a wash and go? All right, now that I have it all detangled, I'm just gonna go ahead and do 2-strand twists. Make sure it's extra detangled and just twist it. All right, I'm not gonna twist it all the way down. You see this piece here? I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger and just leave it like that. Nice little curl. This much. Jelly. And then just do a twist. This product has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil in it, and just by applying it, it goes on like a butter, and it feels like it's really moisturizing my hair. So, and these two products work well together, so I might be doing a wash and go with both of them. And you guys, if you've been following me, then you know that I don't really like use like actual stylers to do my wash and go. I just use like leave-ins. But the way that these two are working together just might be my first time. Okay, now that I'm finished with all of my twists, I'm gonna go ahead and do the braid right here. So I did just go ahead and section my hair off into like this kind of like little, kind of looks like a teardrop. It's just like a circle around the front. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and dampen this section with my swatter. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that cream and put it in the section. And the jelly. Now that I have that slicked back, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, and I'm gonna apply that around the perimeter just to give it that sleek look. That much. Okay guys, so this is my hair all finished, and I'm gonna come back when it's all dry, but just showing you guys. Okay, this is the braid and the twist. Hey guys, I'm back and it's the next day, and I just slept with my twist in. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take some oil before I start separating my twist. I'm gonna pour some in my hand so that when I'm taking out the twist, it will minimize some frizz. So yeah, I'm going to be using the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Hair Oil, my favorite. I'm going to apply that to the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna keep like applying it throughout me taking these out because I just want to minimize as much frizz as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna apply some more. All right, so I'm gonna start in the back and just start taking everything out. Let's see that definition. Somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. You will all. All right, and since I want it to be bigger, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out at the roots. Everybody loves them. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like the outcome. It might be a little bit frizzy, but I don't really care about the frizz. I care about the volume, and there's more definition than frizz anyways, so it looks good. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Boy, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs